Hey everybody, I'm Bert Jones, Vice President of Service here at Frazer. When issues arise and you need quick, dependable service, you can contact us the way that you feel most comfortable with. You can contact us one of three ways: email, phone, or website. There's 3 email addresses you can utilize for your service needs, such as service quotes, scheduling, troubleshooting. You can send a request to service@frazerbilt.com for any of your parts needs, parts quotes. If you just need to stock up on some inventory, or if you need a part to repair something, you can send it to parts@frazerbilt.com. For all your warranty requests and needs, send it to warranty@frazerbilt.com. Don't worry, the whole team monitors all these email addresses and the right person will get back to you. If you're contacting us by phone, call 888-372-9371. You can find that number located here in the electrical compartment on the electrical compartment print down at the bottom left. If you call after hours, it'll give you a cell number for service support. Through the website, you can go to frazerbilt.com, click on the Contact tab. From there, navigate to the appropriate Contact Us form. For the most expedited response, we recommend you reach out via email. Don't forget to provide the Frazer bill number so we can process and return your inquiry right away. I hope this has been helpful. The main thing is service is here for you. Reach out to us anytime with anything you need. Thank you so much.